modern engineering company, the next generation AI company, our leaders and their partners would be partnering with the state of Telangana, and to see that the vision of our Chief Minister and also the vision of our government in tomorrow's world. Our plain and clear vision is we have to be the leaders for the emerging technologies. Lest it's artificial intelligence, data engineering, data analytics, cyber security, and also in future to come, I would have just mentioning to Amit ji, the bleeding edge technology of the quantum computing. So in the process over the period of 1 year, Honorable Chief Minister was very keen to see and put this Telangana into the map of the world as the leader of artificial intelligence. And our steps to make that have started. We're just expressing to the Sonata leaders over here what we are going to do for the AI to come up as our leader. In fact, and AI is a buzzword for each and every individual on an individual scale. And to a small company, to a big company, AI has become more important in cutting-edge technology to be integrated. And for our governance too, recently we have launched on a big scale of our governance, how we can embrace, how we can integrate, and how we can move forward by integrating this AI technology. So here the point has come. And for that to make further improvements and developments and to make our Telangana as a leader, we have come up with a building AI city, and this is a concept made by our Chief Minister, Mr. Revanth Reddy Garu. Many a time our vision is, all these days we are literally doing the back-end work for many companies. Of the labor arbitrage facility what we have now, the grey matter is there, the think tanks are here, the intellectuals are here in terms of technology. Now our vision and point of our government, of our Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, is to make them global value centers, not only the GCCs. Now the labor arbitrage has gone. We have to dictate what America has to do, what China has to do, what other country has to do. We create the value here and try to sell the products there. Hopefully the Sonata also takes that shape in times to come, and into the Sonata, which has the major existence in parts of US, now will come here and become a major partner for our state.